Faith is a profound force that transcends cultural, geographic, and temporal boundaries. It is more than a religious sentiment. It represents a fundamental belief in the unseen, the future, or the intrinsic value of ideals and dreams. This video explores the essence of faith, not confined to religious beliefs, but as a universal principle that impacts human behavior and societal norms. The power of faith is evident in its ability to inspire hope, drive progress, and encourage resilience in the face of adversity. By understanding faith, we can appreciate its role not only in spiritual contexts, but also in fostering inner strength and community bonds. Throughout history, faith has played a pivotal role in shaping societies and guiding the human narrative. It has been at the heart of monumental changes and everyday decisions alike. From the construction of ancient architectural wonders to the formation of significant social and political movements, faith has been a motivating force behind many of humanity's most remarkable achievements. Faith has influenced major decisions at both national and individual levels. Leaders have often used their spiritual beliefs to guide their policies, and these, in turn, have shaped the course of history. In times of turmoil, such as wars and natural disasters, faith has frequently been a source of comfort and resilience, providing people with the strength to rebuild and move forward. Faith's impact on history is not without controversy. It has been both a unifier and a divider. On one hand, shared beliefs have brought communities together, fostering a sense of common identity and purpose. On the other hand, differing faiths have also been a source of conflict, as seen in various historical disputes and wars. This duality shows the powerful influence of faith, capable of both constructive and destructive outcomes, depending on how it is channeled. This dual nature of faith prompts us to reflect on its profound impact on human history. By studying these historical contexts, we gain insights into the complex role of faith in shaping human affairs and its potential to influence future generations. Understanding this can help us appreciate the depth and breadth of faith as a fundamental component of human life, guiding not only personal decisions, but also the larger movements that define epochs. As we transition from historical perspectives to the individual experience, we see that faith permeates everyday life in myriad ways. It influences our decisions, bolsters our spirits during challenging times, and even shapes our aspirations. Faith is not just about belief in the divine. It's about trust in the unseen and unproven, trust in oneself, in others, and in the future. And in the practical area, consider how faith underpins many common endeavors. Entrepreneurs often start ventures based on faith in their vision and the potential of their ideas, despite uncertain outcomes. Similarly, students pursue education, trusting in the value of knowledge and its impact on their future. This kind of faith is instrumental in pushing individuals beyond their comfort zones, encouraging them to take risks and strive for better, often against formidable odds. Faith plays a crucial role in resilience. When faced with adversity, faith can provide a crucial psychological lifeline, a belief that circumstances will improve, even without immediate evidence. This resilience not only helps individuals to cope during crises, but also propels them towards recovery and growth. It acts as a driving force, inspiring action when the path forward seems daunting or unclear. Looking into the individual impacts of faith, its psychological benefits are both significant and well documented. Studies have shown that having faith can lead to better mental health outcomes, including lower levels of stress and depression, and higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. Faith offers a framework for understanding the world and our place within it, providing a sense of purpose and direction that is deeply comforting. The psychological comfort that faith provides is not merely about optimism. It is rooted in the sense of a larger narrative or a belief in a higher power or order. This can make life's challenges seem more manageable and less chaotic. For many, faith instills a sense of hope where there might otherwise be despair, offering a light in times of darkness. This sense of stability is crucial in today's fast-paced and often unpredictable world. Faith can act as an anchor, keeping individuals steady in the face of personal and global upheavals. It fosters a mindset that values persistence and resilience, traits that are invaluable when confronting the various trials life presents. The communal aspects of faith can greatly enhance its psychological benefits. Being part of a faith-based community provides a support network that reinforces individual faith experiences. These communities often provide not only spiritual support, but also practical help and guidance, further enhancing the psychological well-being of their members. Looking into the scientific exploration of faith, it becomes clear that this abstract concept has tangible effects on both the mind and body. Scientific studies have ventured into understanding how faith acts not just as a psychological salve, but also as a physical boon. Researchers have observed that individuals with strong faith often experience lower blood pressure, better stress management, and an overall enhanced immune system. These benefits highlight the body's response to the psychological stability and optimism that faith often provides. Neuroscience has also shed light on how faith can shape our brain's functioning. For instance, meditation and prayer, practices associated with faith, have been shown to affect areas of the brain involved in mood and stress regulation. These activities can decrease activity in the parts of the brain associated with anxiety and fear, while enhancing connectivity in areas responsible for empathy and emotional stability. This suggests that the practice of faith can lead to profound changes in brain structure and function, fostering a healthier mental state. Building on the individual benefits of faith, its impact is perhaps most visibly seen in the way it fosters community. Faith communities, whether organized around a specific religion or shared spiritual beliefs, serve as vital support networks for their members. These communities are not just about shared worship. They provide a platform for social interaction, mutual assistance, and collective action. In times of personal crisis or community-wide disasters, these faith groups often come forward to provide aid, support, and a sense of continuity. The community aspect of faith can significantly amplify the positive effects on an individual's psychological health by providing a sense of belonging and identity. Engaging in community service through faith-based organizations can enhance one's sense of purpose and satisfaction, further enriching the individual's life. The role of faith in community building also extends to fostering intercultural understanding and cooperation. In diverse societies, faith communities can act as bridges, bringing together people of different backgrounds around common values and beliefs. This can lead to a deeper understanding and respect among different cultural groups, reducing conflict and enhancing societal cohesion. While faith undoubtedly brings numerous benefits, it is also accompanied by its set of challenges and criticisms. One of the primary concerns about faith is when it crosses into the realm of blind faith, where beliefs may be held without question or scrutiny. This can lead to situations where individuals make decisions that are not based on evidence or rational thought, which in some cases can have harmful consequences. For example, blind faith can result in the rejection of medical treatment in favor of spiritual healing, which can endanger health. Another criticism of faith is its potential to foster intolerance or exclusion. When strongly held beliefs are perceived as the only truth, it can lead to conflict with those who hold different beliefs. This has historically led to segregation persecution, and even wars. It's crucial, therefore, to cultivate a faith that is open to questioning and dialogue, one that encourages understanding rather than division. Despite these challenges, the role of faith in promoting positive change and personal resilience cannot be overlooked. It becomes essential to balance faith with critical thinking, ensuring that beliefs are tempered with reason and openness to different perspectives. By addressing these criticisms constructively, individuals can harness the strength of faith while mitigating its potential pitfalls. Understanding the significant role faith can play in both personal and communal well-being leads us to consider how one can cultivate such a powerful aspect of life. Developing faith is a personal journey, unique to each individual, yet there are universal steps that can assist in strengthening this profound element of human experience. Firstly, engaging in regular reflection and meditation can serve as foundational practices in cultivating faith. These activities encourage a deeper connection with one's inner self and can help clarify one's beliefs and values. Through meditation, individuals often find peace and a renewed sense of faith in the process and purpose of their lives. Secondly, learning through texts, whether sacred or secular, that resonate with personal or communal values can also enhance one's faith. Reading and contemplating the experiences and teachings of others can provide new insights and affirm one's faith journey. This form of learning not only broadens one's understanding, but also reinforces the personal and intellectual components of faith. Participating in community activities can strengthen one's faith through shared experiences and mutual support. Being part of a community provides a sense of belonging and can significantly amplify the feelings of faith through collective worship, service, or simply gathering in meaningful conversation. While we conclude this exploration of faith, we reflect on its dynamic and multifaceted nature. Faith influences historical events, shapes personal and community life, presents challenges, and offers profound personal transformations. It is a force that can drive one to great heights and also a comfort that offers solace in times of despair. We have traversed the landscape of faith, from its impacts on the brain and body to its role in fostering resilient communities. We've also considered the potential pitfalls of unexamined faith and the power of faith-driven personal stories of transformation. We discussed practical ways to cultivate and strengthen faith, emphasizing its significance not only as a spiritual or religious experience, but as a universal human trait. Faith remains a central pillar in the lives of many, acting as a beacon that guides through uncertainty and inspires action. It is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to believe, endure, and aspire. Whether through quiet reflection or active community involvement, the journey of faith is one of the most profound undertakings in human life, offering a path to deeper understanding, peace, and purpose.